Hi, I'm Nicole Coute, and I'm here to explain the acronym FOIL, which in mathematics is the multiplying of two binomials. To begin, we're going to discuss what FOIL actually stands for. The F in FOIL is going to be the first two terms of each binomial. So it's going to be the first term in the first set of parentheses and the first term in the second set of parentheses. The O is for outer. Next, you're going to add or subtract depending on the signs used. You're going to multiply the first term of the first binomial by the last of the second binomial. So the outside set of parentheses. The I in FOIL represents the word inner. You're going to multiply the second term of the first binomial and the first term of the second binomial. So it's going to be the two inners that are closest to the two inner parentheses. The L represents the word last. You're going to multiply the last terms of both binomials. So slide 1 is going to represent the F in first. We're going to multiply the first terms of both binomials. So let's begin. We have 6x plus 2, which is your first binomial in the first set of parentheses. The second set of parentheses of 4x plus 6. To use the F for first and FOIL, you're going to multiply the 6x plus the 4x, which are the first two that are in bold. That is going to equal 24x squared. You're going to multiply the 6 and the 4, 24. 2x's, x squared, x times x. Next, we're going to multiply the outer terms, which is 6x multiplied by 6, which will give you 24x from the first slide plus 36x. Moving on to the I in FOIL for inner, going to multiply the middle two terms, which I have in bold. So you're going to take the 2 and the 4, both positive numbers, so we're going to have 8, going to add the x. So here we have 24x squared plus 36x plus 8x. The last step in FOIL is to multiply the last terms of each binomial. I'm going to take the 2, which I have in bold, plus the 6, which is in bold. You're going to multiply those. So you end up with 24x squared plus 36x for the O plus 8x for your inners plus 12 for your last terms. To solve your problem and create a polynomial from the binomials, which means one set of terms, you're going to have 24x squared plus your 36x plus 8x plus 12. You're going to combine like terms. So you're going to take the 24x squared, you're going to add your 36x and your 8x. It's going to equal 44x plus 12. And yay, you did it! Congratulations, you have learned to solve binomial multiplication, and you have learned to use FOIL.